Home workout plan to lose belly fat.
Losing belly fat at home is possible with dedication and the right exercises. This step-by-step guide will show you how to create an effective workout plan using body weight movements without the need for equipment or a gym membership. Stay consistent and follow the schedule for best results, keeping your focus on health and progress.
Understanding belly fat and fat loss.
Belly fat can't be targeted directly, but you can reduce it through full body fat loss. This happens when you combine regular exercise with a nutritious diet. Bodyweight workouts help burn calories, build muscle, and improve metabolism, all important factors for reducing fat, including around your midsection. Remember, patience and consistent effort are key.
Essential bodyweight exercises.
The effective bodyweight exercises for belly fat loss include planks, mountain climbers, bicycle crunches, squat jumps, and burpees. These moves engage core muscles while increasing your heart rate for a calorie-burning effect. Perform each exercise with proper form to maximize benefits and reduce the risk of injury. No weights or machines are necessary, just your body and determination.
Sample weekly workout schedule.
Structure your week for success by working out at least 4 times. Try a routine like this. Monday and Thursday, full body circuit with planks, squats, and burpees. Tuesday, rest or light activity like walking. Wednesday and Saturday, core focus with mountain climbers and bicycle crunches. Friday and Sunday, rest or gentle stretching. Adjust as needed to match your fitness level.
Tips for lasting results.
Maximize your results by pairing workouts with healthy habits. Drink plenty of water, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, and avoid sugary or processed foods. Track your progress, but focus on how you feel and move, not just the scale. Stay motivated by setting small, realistic goals. With consistency and patience, you'll notice positive changes in your body and energy.